We're very proud of the components that we put into each and every console that we build. We partner with great suppliers for our electronics, such as Garmin. We've been one of their sole suppliers, or they've been a sole supplier of Avalon and Tahoe for the past 4 years. We were the first pontoon company to put the GPS and electronic fish finders into our boats as standard. A lot of the other competitors will offer them as options. A lot of our boats are built with standard equipment, and we only choose the finest components for that. We don't mind spending a little more money to put it into the boat so the consumers have the experience that they want to have when they get on the boat. With the pontoon boat, a lot of consumers wouldn't expect to get a GPS system, but we go over and above, and we want to give them things that they don't even expect they're going to get. Other manufacturers may be taking components out and taking costs out of the boat, especially in these types of economic times, but at Avalon and Tahoe, we're investing more into those types of components, and we keep the costs low because we do it all in-house. We do offer a lot of options, but we offer a lot of things as standard. So I think a consumer does have to compare all of those types of components when they are shopping different manufacturers. Getting close to the end of the assembly process right here, this boat is almost fully assembled. We just have to go through some various quality checks before it goes out the door, and we spend a lot of time on that final inspection process to ensure that the gauges are working right, the rigging is done properly, so when the consumer gets the boat, they don't have any bad experience right from the get-go. We make many models. We have over 150 floor plans, so we offer everything the consumer could ever want in a pontoon boat. We are a pontoon boat company, that's all we do, and we're focused on providing a lot of choice in the product line. We focus on engineering. If the consumer can't find it in one of our 125 models or floor plans that we provide, we do build many custom boats for consumers, specifically for whatever their needs may be. That may be a handicapped person that needs wheelchair accessibility. Whatever their unique need is, we will service that need. We just had a consumer that was a design person herself, so she wanted specific type of vinyl, specific colors, and we worked with her suppliers to build that one boat unique to that customer, so she was satisfied in the end, and she was a part of the process along the way. It is fun, a lot of fun. This particular boat here, we are building a camper enclosure for a customer. These are typically custom ordered, and they're custom fitted right here at Avalon and Tahoe to ensure that we get the best fit on each and every boat. And we find by holding it here and doing it ourselves, the consumer is much better satisfied. There are some companies that try to do this type of work after the fact, and typically what we found, it ends up in disaster a lot of times, so we like to do it ourselves. We explore all different kinds of ideas. Every year we go through a model change, and we may have 100 to 120 different ideas on the board, and then we go through and we pick and choose and focus only on those items that we think we can handle and to get done that year. That's what makes this company successful. Every day I come into the office, I may have 4 or 5, maybe 6 emails from various customers asking different questions if we can build a boat specific to their needs. So I personally get involved in that process, as well as any issues that people may be having out in the field. Well, not only do we put a lot of money into our equipment that we're putting into the plant, we are also building infrastructure. We are a growing company, and we continue to expand. So we have to have more and more storage, more and more square footage to meet the consumer's needs in the end. We are, once again, a growing company, and we want to make sure that we have the right storage and equipment to make that happen.